Here's an overview of our kindergarten distance learning plan for Monday, April 13th. For reading this week, we will have the story Goldilocks and the Three Dinosaurs. Watch and listen to Mrs. Hazen read the story today. Our sight word this week is going to be went. Watch and listen to the sight word song. As a bonus, you can complete the practice sheet. This is actually in the yellow construction paper folder with the dates April 20th through the 24th. Unfortunately, the sight word sheets got off by a week, so you'll have to be looking ahead into the next week's folder in order to find things. Another bonus that you have is that you can log into Seesaw class. The sight word song for went is also posted there, and there is an activity on that as well. If your child chooses to do the practice sheet that you find in that yellow construction paper folder for April 20th through 24th, instead of using paint, because I know most families don't have watercolors available, your child can use their markers and practice doing rainbow writing of their sight words. To do this, they choose one marker and they will trace inside of the shape of each letter and repeat that with 2 or 3 more colors. For math today, your child will be working on 5 frames and 10 frames. There are some online links posted on the distance learning plan. I will also provide these on Seesaw as well for your child to play some 5 and 10 frame games. If you would like to, you can also play 10 frame concentration. If you have the ability to print, there are documents on the distance learning plan that you can print. If you do not have the ability to print, you could create cards with the numbers 0 through 10 and 10 frames with dots 0 through 10 to play concentration. An alternative bonus activity would be to log into Seesaw class. Your child can fill in the 10 frames there and also practice counting and writing the numbers. For math today, you'll be working on the Teens worksheet in the math workbook. For this one, your child will be circling a group of 10. Once they have circled the group of 10, they will write how many 10s that is, how many extra ones, and the total. Notice at the bottom that your child will have to actually draw the fingers in the correct quantity. You may need to help with this. It can be a little bit challenging. For writing today, we will be reviewing all 3 of the digraphs, CH, ch, TH, th, and SH, sh. Please look to Seesaw for a video that I will post with the lesson and activities that your child can follow along with. As a bonus, you could log into Seesaw class, watch the digraph review song, and do some picture sorting. Materials you will need for today's learning plan include the 10 frame cards and number cards if you are able to print those or create those to play concentration, the Sounds to Word interactive notebook, the math packet with the cover counting 10s and 1s, and a pencil. If you choose to complete any of the bonus activities, you will need that sight word sheet. Again, that is in the yellow folder marked April 20th through 24th. Markers, and Seesaw class activities for the sight word went, and also for the math activities, filling 10 frames and counting 10 frames. Remember to also check the site for posts from Mr. Fisher, Mrs. Phillips, and Mrs. Bauman for Phi-Ed, music, and art. If you have any questions or need any help, please send me an email or send me a message through Seesaw. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and have a marvelous Monday.